parts for the passion twist. I have 37 parts in my head, and as you can see, my hair is in its natural state. I just gelled the roots down, and that's about it, and then just twisted from the roots all the way down. And yeah, so let's get into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me a thumbs up, and let's go. Okay, you're gonna take your hook and put it through your hair. Next, grab your piece of crochet hair and hook it into the needle, pull it back through. And since my hair is so loose at the top, I'm gonna wrap it around my roots a little bit and then start twisting. Okay, y'all, so I don't know why I didn't talk here, but I'm just tying a knot at the ends of the twist. I feel like this looks better than putting a rubber band, which, I mean, if you want to, you can put rubber bands at the ends, but I just did a little knot, and I'm showing y'all what it looks like if you just leave it like this. But I decided I wanted my twist to look messy because I don't like that neat crochet look. It actually looks like, you know, the crochet hair, so I just decided to do a little butterfly pulls and just make it messy so that it wouldn't look too clean. And plus, I'm actually glad I did make it messy because you could see like my hair peeking through with this. So yeah, this just makes it just look better in my eyes. Okay, one more time for my verbal learners. So you'll just slide the crochet needle under, well, in your roots, whatever. Put the hair in the crochet needle, pull it through. I always struggle with this, as y'all know. And then once you pull it through, you'll even up the pieces, and then you'll begin to wrap around your roots. So if you've done butterfly locks before, you'll know what I mean by wrapping, but it's kind of hard to explain how to do it. And then here I'm just trying to hide like my hair inside the twist since it's not, you know, the color of my hair. But as you see, my twist is still peeking out some, but I just tried to hide it as much as possible. And then I'm just going to keep twisting till I get to the end. And of course, we're going to make a knot at the end and then mess it all up. So that's really it for my verbal explanation. I really don't have anything to talk about, but when do I ever? So I'm probably going to stop talking and throw some music in here so y'all won't be bored with just hearing me breathe. I hope you guys are doing well, but I'm out. fashion twist. I have 37 of them in my hair. It's super light, like it doesn't feel heavy at all. Yeah, I really like them. I think they're cute. I like that I did them messy because I feel like, you know, when you do them too clean, they can kind of look like actual crochet, like individual twists, and I don't like that look. So this is what I got. This is what the package of hair looks like. Each pack comes with 16 individual pieces. Y'all know that I doubled mine up, and you get 7 packs, so 16 pieces in each pack. And this is Flotig hair off of Amazon, color 1B/27. And hold on, it costs $25.99 for 7 packs, and it ranges in different colors. They have the color 1B, the color number 2, of course this color. There's the number 4, and then T30, and then the T1B/burgundy. And this is 14 inches too, by the way, so it's a cute length. The hair, as y'all saw, is not bad hair. I got like minimal tangling. Part of that was my fault though, because y'all know I be messing up with a crochet needle. But if you're good at crocheting, you should be good. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week.